Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Brawl Stars if it keeps crashing after an update. So first, completely close the Brawl Stars app and then try opening it again. And if the game still crashes, then try restarting your phone as well. Next, open your App Store and check whether another Brawl Stars update is available. Sometimes a follow-up update is released to fix problem caused by an earlier version. And make sure your phone also has the latest compatible system update. You should also check your available storage as well. And if your phone is almost full on storage, then freeing up some space can help apps run properly. If the problem still continues, you can consider reinstalling the app after confirming your account is linked. Also check whether other players are experiencing the same problem, since a server-side issue can sometimes look like an app crash. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.